totally not what I was going for. I was looking for something smooth, and I'm realizing now that I believe one of my purples is acting a little crazy and creating all these fun cells. So I actually think it might be the last bit that I used of this Wild Purple Blue Iridescent by US Art Supply. I think this is creating all of these cells. And you know what? I might like it when it dries, but we'll see. Like I said, this was just to use up some leftover paint that I had just mixed up and see what I would get. So, oh jeez, now I screwed up that corner. All right, now I like it even more. All right, we'll see what happens when it dries. This area right here is almost like a really awesome sunset with the purple. Oh, so cool. All right, we'll see what it looks like when it dries. Wish me luck. I am so happy with how this came out. Those colors are amazing. I don't even know, can you see that shimmer? This only has one layer of varnish on it. If I did several more coats, oh my God, that would just pop for sure. I am going to do this painting again on a much bigger scale for sure. So please don't forget to subscribe. I have a lot more paintings coming out and fun projects. So see you in the next video.